What's up, guys? Today we are going to do an unboxing video. I entered in a contest for Hewlett Packard, as you can see. Let's see what we got. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Alright. There, hold that for me. Alright. Let's see. Looks like we got a big power supply. Oh, look at that. We got Windows Server 2019 Recovery Media. Okay. Let's see what it goes to. Oh, snap. Heck yeah. We got the ProLiant Series 10 server. This is awesome. Let's open her up. Oh, look how cool. Look how small it is, but small but powerful. See? ProLiant Microserver Gen10 Plus. I don't know if you can read that. Let's take a look at the back. See what we got going here. Looks like we got a display port for USB 3.0s and some LAN ports and a VGA port. Alright, we're going to fire it up and I'll show you what we got. Alright, we're going to crank this bad boy up. It's so quiet, I don't even hear it. Aspect ratio is a little off. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the F10 intelligent provisioning, get everything up to date before we slap any operating system on it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do the provisioning first. Gonna hit first time setup. English. We're gonna change our time zone over to, where are we at? Central Time. 10:13. UEFI, optimized boot, everything looks good there. We're gonna accept the EULA, hit next. Enable F10 functionality, yes. We're not gonna provide any anonymous usage or error feedback to improve nothing. Sorry, HPE. Network interface, we're gonna use the gigabit network card. Don't have to worry about proxy right now. We can change all that later. Are you sure? Yes. Alright. Alright, now we've restarted. We're gonna do the firmware upgrades here. Lights out, that looks good. Let's go ahead and submit that. Everything looks good. Let's launch it. While this is going, I'm gonna do a couple more things. After some configuration, we got the server up and running. As you can see, we've got Windows Server 2019. Gonna have to go ahead and buy it. I've got a Intel Xeon E2224, 3.4, 16 gigs of RAM, and I think we're just going to go ahead and set this up as our Plex server. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care.